Hi everyone, welcome back to Ash's Kitchen. Today we are making something super flavorful and unique. Crispy, sweet and sour eggplant. This one is tangy, slightly sweet and incredibly fragrant. The kind of dish that will wake up your appetite the moment it hits the table. Let's get started. First, grab your eggplant. Give it a good wash, then cut it into 4 long pieces. Remove the soft center. Then slice the eggplant diagonally into chunks and put them into a bowl. Now we are going to coat them. Spray a little water over the eggplant. Then add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Toss and rub gently to coat evenly. Then spray another layer of water. Add another 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And mix again. We are basically building a light crust. This helps keep the moisture inside while creating that crispy shell when we fry. Do this 2 to 3 times until every piece is nicely coated. Now let's make our sauce. It's simple but full of flavor. In a bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Chinese black vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon MSG, and 10 grams of oyster sauce. Stir that until smooth. That's our sweet and tangy glaze. For aromatics, we will need some dried chilies, Sichuan peppercorns, chopped cilantro, white sesame seeds, and minced garlic. Alright, everything is ready, let's cook. Heat up some oil to around 180 degrees Celsius. Now gently slide in the eggplant. Don't touch it right away. Give it about 20 to 30 seconds to set its shape. Otherwise, the coating might fall off. Once it's set, stir gently. Fry until the outside turns a light golden color. And you can hear that crisp sizzling sound. That's when you know it's perfect. Then take them out and drain the oil. Leave just a bit of oil in the wok. Then toss in the dried chilies and Sichuan peppercorns. Stir-fry them over low heat until they release that amazing aroma. Then pour in the sauce we mixed earlier. Let it simmer until slightly thickened and glossy. Now toss the fried eggplant back in. Add the minced garlic. And stir everything together quickly over high heat so the sauce coats each piece evenly. Finally, sprinkle in some cilantro and sesame seeds. Toss one last time and we are done. Look at that! Golden, glossy, crispy eggplant pieces coated in that sticky, aromatic sauce. This dish smells incredible and has that perfect balance of sweet, sour, and spicy. Let me try a bite. Wow, crispy on the outside, soft inside, bursting with flavor. Totally different from the usual braised eggplant, but so good. You've got to try this one at home. It might just become your new favorite eggplant dish. Thanks for watching. See you next time.